Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Princess Lynn Sagario, 27 years old, a resident of Poblacion, Manucan, Zamboanga del Norte. I am a college graduate of Business Administration and 2 years diploma in midwifery. I am married. I have two sons, 4 years old and 1 year old. I am a happy person, thoughtful, cheerful, honest, and trustworthy. I have experience of taking care of a child, marketing, ironing, cooking, housework, and washing clothes. And I've been also a private nurse for an elderly bedridden patient, taking a bath, cooking, and assist her for medication in hospital. My habit is cooking, organize things, and dancing. My reason to work as a domestic helper is to support my family here in Philippines, especially my two sons for their needs and wants. I choose Hong Kong because I see a big opportunity than to other countries. And I don't have any history of surgery or any medical condition. I'm physically fit and healthy. I have a song for a kids. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir, 3 bags full. I am looking forward for my new employer. I am hardworking, honest, trustworthy. I'm willing to learn more things. Thank you. God bless.